Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody that I've been trying to help is having trouble. The Powerclip will not go inside the oval. Well, when you click on it, look at the bounding boxes way up in here. If we move that out of the way, look what we've done. We've got an object in the Powerclip box. So what we need to do is go up to object and break it apart, go up to extract the part we're going to power clip, and we need to ungroup this, and then we can grab that. We don't have to do anything to it because now you can see the bounding box, but we need to get rid of that power clip frame. So I'm going to right click and go down to power clip frame type and remove frame. So now we have a new frame. Now you take your power clip, go up to object, power clip inside a frame, and voila, it worked. Now he's a little bit, maybe he did that on purpose. He's trying to follow my instructions. And then of course take it and go to object, order, back a page, and he's got it nudged twice. So maybe he's doing that on purpose of the part. But that's where he's gotten stuck, and so you still have the framework that you need to get rid of. You've gotten rid of it maybe there, but you don't have it gotten rid of it there yet. So if you remember how to do that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.